Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to do a quick walkthrough of some of the equipment used for clearing timber.
Thought I'd take a chance to take a walk through some of the equipment used in the timber operation. So right here we have this whole entire unit. It's called the loader. The loader is basically going to grab the wood, load the trucks up. It'll load the trucks up. It'll also grab the wood and then they sort it. This pile over here is what they call chip and saw, the big pile. And then we got a big pile over here that's going to be used for pulp. Anyway, it's got a grapple on the end of it, and the grapple is capable of grabbing many trees at one time, and then they rest the trees up against that brace, and it enables them to pick the whole entire bundle of trees up completely off the ground, even though they're very long. This whole thing is mounted on a trailer. And I don't know everything there is to know about this equipment, but this thing's pretty efficient at loading trucks up and going through and sorting all the wood. On the other end, it has a piece that allows them to cut the trees to size and cut the tops off of them. It also has a delimiter, and a saw. I'll come on over for a closer look in just a minute. So this piece allows him to delimit them. There's sharp blades on there, and as he pulls the trees through there, it cuts all the limbs off. So they don't really want limbs, they want nice straight pieces. And then it's equipped with a really large chainsaw, hydraulically operated, that cuts them to piece, cuts them to size. The hydraulically operated chainsaw, that's part of the deal. That cuts the pieces, the tops off, or cuts them any way they want to. Sometimes maybe they'll cut the tops off. I think what they've been doing is taking the chip and saw wood and they're using the tops for pulp, and then the large part of the tree they're using for chip and saw. But anyway, there's the saw, and this all gets operated from the cab over there. Here we have a pile of timber that's they classified as pulpwood, and basically this is going to be chopped all up to make paper and such out of. This pile of wood is classified as chip and saw. They'll basically saw whatever pieces of timber they can get out of it, and they'll chip the rest up and use it for wood chips. Next piece of equipment is called the skidder, and this skidder is basically used to move all of the wood that's been cut down by the cutter and bring it over to the loader so they can get loaded up on trucks. Anyway, it's got a blade on the front so you can do some bulldozing action and clear its way out of tough spots. Got big old tires on it. And the real main part of it here is this grapple. This grapple allows it to grab many pieces of wood at once, or many trees at once, and start dragging them through the forest. Here's the business end of the cutter. Basically, it's a pretty amazing piece of equipment. This thing has hydraulically operated shears that literally shear the bottom of the tree, and then it can hold it upright. It can hold the trees upright. It has an accumulator so they can stack the trees, so they don't have to just cut one tree and lay it down. They can cut, this one will probably hold like about 12 trees. And anyway, it can hold like 12 trees, and then it'll lay them down in nice neat little stacks after it cuts them. But it'll cut them, and then this piece over here will push them over into what they call the accumulator. And like I said, it can keep holding the trees, it can cut them and move them out of the way and hold them, and it can do a whole bunch of trees at once. Also got heavy duty large tires on it so that it can get around in all the tough spots it has to get through. This is a Tigercat 720E, and I don't know what model the cutter is. All the stuff is lined off, but anyway, the cutter gets the job done, that's for sure.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you can keep up with the latest progress.